Okay, we are recording now. We are at the haunted car wash. What's that mobile called again?
The Mystery Machine.
The Mystery Machine. I was gonna call it the Shaggy Mobile. There's a clown. Behind the clown, it says haunted car wash back there. Check out the traffic. It's like bad. Okay, we're gonna do this. Oh my God, is he already going in there? Is that a clown? Oh my God, I'm rolling up the windows now. Will you knock it off? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, will you stop it? You need to stop it. I don't like you. You're mean. Yeah. Can you see me?
Yeah.
Am I close up, like, or is it okay like this?
Right there.
I think, okay, good. Because this is all I'm gonna do, is this and this. Oh my gosh, here we go. You see them? No, baby. Well, you better roll your window down then. I don't know if you can see inside there. There's a skeleton. Oh my God, they're going inside. They're going inside. Don't go in the trunk, man. I got books in there. You're not gonna want to go in the trunk. I'm getting nervous. I'm so getting nervous. My hands are clammy.
Oh, no.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh. Hello. Oh my gosh. Don't come to me. I'm gonna be looking behind me too. Hi. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Don't run anybody over, please. I'm getting scared. Oh my God. It's the shakers that are scaring me. Oh my gosh. They know. Get the Mazda. I got. You scare me. My hand's shaking. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I can't believe they're getting in there. Trust him. Is that you or him? What are you doing? Stop doing.
No,
Put your
I'm
hand
not doing
inside.
anything.
Put your hand inside.
It's back there or in the back or something.
He's gonna come over. Someone is knocking. Is it you?
No.
You're doing it.
I'm not doing anything. I'm paying attention to the road, okay? I'm driving.
You can put it in park, you know.
No.
Oh my gosh. Who is knocking? Someone's knocking. You need to put your hand inside. I think it's you.
No.
I think it's you.
Not me.
Ooh. I'm just shaking my foot. I want to make sure no one's around.
What's behind you?
What? Someone is knocking. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Don't touch me. Oh my god. It's the noisy ones, man. My hand's cold, huh?
Your hands are cold and wet.
Cold and wet.
Hey.
Oh. They leave you alone. They like the truck. They do. Someone just keeps doing that. That one's scary, man. Oh my gosh. Look at him. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. He's getting in there. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Thankfully, no one went inside. Oh. He just works here. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I cannot go to Not Scary Farm. You're cray crazy.
Yeah, we'll go after this.
No,
It's
it's
right down the
okay. It's
We'll get
okay.
Mrs. Knox chicken.
Well, that would be fun, but no. Wonder. Our car is dirty. We do need a wash. Look at that. Ooh, dirty, 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 dirty. Dirty. Hey, it says it's closed. Oh my gosh. I'm glad you're driving.
Yeah. Down on the street was worse than this.
Oh my gosh, that's a slider. I'm so glad they did not come inside. That would have scared me. Here comes one. He's going in the front. What was that?
I locked the doors. Make sure.
Okay, better. Look at him. He's totally on the whatchamacallit.
Okay to go through?
Uh-uh. No. I'm gonna get you.
He's so scared. Don't cry.
Oh my God, he's in the car with them. You see him? Oh my God! I was looking at the other people. Oh my God! Oh my God! There she is. That's my next haircut. Oh my gosh! Yeah, I can't go to Not Scary Farm, baby. No way. No way am I going to Not Scary Farm. Mm-mm. I'm so scared. I keep thinking someone's behind me. Stop it. That's you. He keeps tapping the car. Oh, there's people in there too. Here we go. We're gonna get a car wash. This was enough for me, man.
No, I think we're gonna go to Not Scary Farm next. Like Scary Farm.
Let's see who we have here. put the light on? Did you put the light on?
I did, yeah, because I couldn't see the thing.
Oh, you couldn't see the thing. Okay. Oh, fuck. Jeez. I'm scared now again. Look out. Let me know if you see something. Your side or my side? Your side or my side? I keep looking your side or my side. It's dark in here. Your side or my side? Your side or my side? Anybody? You're getting a car wash. Oh, right there. What happened to the big strobe lights? Oh my gosh. Oh, there they are. Whee! No one? No one? No one? Oh, Jack.
I don't know, I can't see.
You can't see? He's right there. He's right there. Oh my God, there's someone right there. Oh my God, there's someone right there. Woo! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I think that's it.
Is that gonna dry?
Yeah, we're drying right now.
Yeah, but it doesn't do the thing.
No, because they're here. Otherwise, they're going to be, swallowed up. I'm all waving to him. Oh my God.
Where do we go?
Follow the sign. Follow the outside. So yeah, we just go all the way straight. We follow them. We're going out the same way that you didn't like us getting out. Well.
Where's that at?
Hi. I hope you enjoyed that, because that really scared me, even though it was just a little car wash. But yeah, it scared me. But anyway, I hope you had fun. You take care and be safe out there. There's monsters. Okay, bye.